take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes, and every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle, this hairstyle guys, so if you want to see how I do this look, stick around. So this is the unit I'll be using for this hairstyle, you all, and it's two pieces. So what I'll do is I'll just join both pieces together. I went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail in order to save time, you all.
Longer and looking back on years, I see time and faith is carrying me through mountains high, valleys low. I'm finishing my journey on the long road. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes.
I'll just get this part out of the way, like right there. I'll just section a part of the hair, you all, and just twist it around tightly, and that's how you're gonna create this look.
How the time flies by, one road seemed much shorter. I took the one much longer, and yes, I am wiser now, but fear can still knock me down. All of it makes me better. I'm getting myself together, and looking back on years, I see time and faith has carried me through mountains high, valleys.
Now that you reach this part, guys, you're gonna section another part of the hair and keep twisting and join the first part with this section and just keep twisting tightly, and that's what you're gonna do for the entire hair until everything is finished, you all.
I see the finish line. Keep your eyes on the prize, and there in the morning it will be your time. Oh, keep your head to the sky, and then one of these mornings you'll shine. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes. Every day I try. I'm counting on God to do the rest. 'Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I gotta keep my eyes on the prize, and in the morning it'll be your time. Keep my head to the sky, and one of these mornings, every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave. You gotta believe, but you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty truth be told. We've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty truth be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Don't worry, 'cause I still oh, yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, I'm still here. Don't we grow? Give me your love, so don't worry about me.
Now that the hair is finished twisted, you can go in with some bobby pins and secure the hair to make sure it is nicely in place to you all. To make the side swoop, all you have to do is go in with your comb or your brush and brush the hair in the desired way you want it to be, and add some got-to-be glue or whatever holding spray you want to use, guys, and do it to your own liking. Okay?
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long.